Master Gardener. I got an aster here that is looking fabulous this year. It's been catching the attention of people that visit and happen to walk by. Aster tartaricus. 6-footer, man. Big. But the awesome thing is this aster, it is not native. It's not a native. There are other asters for you to look into if you were strictly a native plant gardener. But this one still attracts the bees, the butterflies, and the hummingbirds. So you still get all the pollinators with this. So that's the advantage. But look at this monster. It is huge. And the cool part is this is so tall, and yet it doesn't really need staking. So let's take a look at how tall it is. I'm going to stand up. So here I am, 5'4", and it's over my head. And the awesome part about this is it blooms so late in the year. These gorgeous purple flowers, very showy. You know the word aster, it means star, and thus named because the little blossoms look star-like. So that's part of the beauty of it. And it blooms so late, and it has one of the longest periods of blooming, longer than all the other asters. So that's one of the great virtues of it. Certainly very showy, as you can see, and attractive here. You do have to give it space in your garden because it's aggressive. It spreads by rhizomes. I got a big patch of it up next to the picture window. That is not going to cut it. I got another patch over on the other side of the fence. I'm going to be dividing it. I do divide it every 2 to 3 years, and you're going to have to do that. And the advantage of doing that is it will keep your height a little shorter. You know, it's a great cut flower. So if you like to have flowers in the house, that's another asset, another reason to have it. It's zone 3 to 9. Really adaptable to all different kinds of soil, medium moisture, which is what it's getting here. It's actually in a little bit of a partial sun here, which is probably the reason it's a little taller than 6 foot tall, because I can't even reach the top of this one. But as I'm wiggling it here, even yet the birds and bugs are flying around. So those are most of the points about it. 6 foot tall, good pollinator plant, worth trying in your garden. If you need a piece, I'm going to have to get rid of some of this, so maybe I'll drag it to a master gardener meeting. See you there.